In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Copilot in your Chrome sidebar. To start off, open up Google Chrome. It's important to ensure you're using the latest version of Chrome, as keeping your browser updated ensures you have all the latest features and security patches. Now, once you have Google Chrome open, navigate to the Chrome extensions page. You can find this by clicking on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your browser. Hover over More Tools and then click on Extensions. This will open a new tab showing you the extensions you currently have installed. In the extensions page, you'll want to find the option for the Chrome Web Store. Typically, you can do this by clicking on the menu icon once again and selecting Open Chrome Web Store, or directly entering Chrome Web Store in the search bar at the top of your page. The Chrome Web Store is a great place to explore a vast array of extensions that can enhance your browsing experience. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, it's time to search for extensions that suit our purpose. In the search bar, type something like Sidebar Copilot or Bing Chat Sidebar. These are popular options known for providing sidebar functionality suitable for our needs. You may find several options, so take a moment to look through the results. Pay attention to the ratings and reviews of each extension to ensure you're choosing a reliable one. When you've found an extension that you're comfortable with, click the Add to Chrome button. This will start the process of adding the extension to your browser. You might see a prompt appear asking for confirmation and showing you the permissions that the extension requires. It's important to read through these permissions to understand what information the extension will access. Once you've reviewed and are satisfied, go ahead and click Add Extension. The installation process should only take a few moments. Once completed, you'll notice a small icon for your new extension appearing in the Chrome toolbar, usually to the right of the address bar. This is your gateway to Copilot in the sidebar. Now, with everything set up, you can easily access the Copilot feature whenever you're browsing. Simply click on the icon, and it will open in the sidebar of your Chrome browser, ready to assist with your queries or tasks. This added functionality brings a new dimension to your browsing experience, offering quick and convenient access to AI-powered assistance. Enjoy exploring all the possibilities this new tool unlocks for you.